Hi and welcome back to another Autowave video. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and setting up of the XTool X100 PAD 2. So let's get out of the packaging. Let's have a look what we've got. So the device in its hard carry case. We open it up, we've got our instruction manual and our packing list and certificate of quality. We've got our device here. Take out of the protective wrapper. Also, if I lift up this section here, we have our different OBD connectors, our EEPROM adapter with our EEPROM adapter board that we can solder our chips onto or place them on. Also, we've got our power lead, our OBD cable, and our USB to USB-C. So, let's turn our machine on. So, let's power up our device. Now it's connected to the mains. First thing I think we're going to need to do is connect it to the internet. So let's go to our Wi-Fi settings first before we do anything, and let's connect our device to the Wi-Fi so we can activate the device and get it all set up. So I'm just going to connect to my Wi-Fi in this training room. So I'm connected, so I'm going to get rid of that now. I'm going to go back to my XTool. So what we need to do is activate our device. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our email address in. So I'm going to put a password. I'm going to confirm my password there. I've got to put my activation code. My activation code can be found on my certificate of quality. So as you can see, there's my code. So we'll type that in. Done. So our device is now connected and activated. So we'll first do our app update to update the app itself. This can take anything from a few seconds to a few minutes. So I'm just going to install the app update. Open. So I'm just going to reopen the device. So now device is up and running. First thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to go to my update section here and do update all and update all my information on all the latest software. So we'll just go to update all and just let the device update. Like I said, this can take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, just depending on your Wi-Fi connection. So just leave it to do it. So our updates are pretty much complete. We're just waiting for the last one. So all updates is up to date on the software on the immobilizer side. So let's just go to diagnostic and just check that side. So let's just update all of them as well. So then we've got everything's fresh up to date, and that's it. You can just start using it straight away. So that's all our software. It's up to date now on our diagnostic upgrade as well. So now our software's all up to date. We're just ready to go. So we can go back to our diagnosis menu. And the tablet now is ready to start programming. So that's an XPAD, PAD 2, all out of the box, unboxed, activated and updated. Thanks for watching this video. If you've got any questions, please drop a comment below and we'll see you on the next video.